Hey guys, Mater 35 here on BoxBusters.tv. Guys, tonight we're doing 2 boxes of 2014 Bowman Chrome football. Thank you so much for getting into it. Alright, good luck everybody. And here we go. Box 1. Alright, here we go. Chrome Pure Desser for the Browns. Refractor. And that's not too bad one. CJ Mosley. 199 for the Ravens. It's pretty good linebacker player there, CJ. 199. CJ Mosley. For the Ravens. Ryan Grant blue out of 199 for the Redskins. AJ McCarron Bowman best for the Bengals. And Terrence West 299 for the Browns. Refractor. Ahmad Dixon refractor for the Cowboys. Wes Walker 271 for the Broncos. Wes Walker. Bishop Sankey for the Titans. Eric Ebron top shelf for the Lions. Antonio Gates refractor for the Chargers. And Eddie Lacy black refractor 299 for the Packers. Last stack, here we go. Maurice Jones-Drew refractor for the Raiders. Eric Ebron mini for the Lions. And that's it. That's box 1, guys. Here we go. Box 2 coming up. Box 2, here we go. Mike Davis refractor for the Raiders. Calvin Johnson, $2.99 for the Lions, black refractor. $2.71 Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. A Reggie Bush refractor for the Lions. Got a red coming up. Odell Beckham Jr. for the Giants. Ryan Shazier, $2.99 for the Steelers. And here we go. Another red, though. Greg Robinson. Nice hit for the Rams. Congratulations to the Rams. Red Greg Robinson for the Rams. Congratulations to the Rams. Greg Robinson out of 25. Aaron Foster refractor for the Texans. Tom Savage for the Texans. Aaron Murray die cut. The last stack, here we go, guys. Jimmy for top shelf for the Patriots. Jimmy Garoppolo mini for the Patriots. Marquez Lee refractor for the Jaguars. And Paul Richardson refractor for the Seahawks. Alright, guys, that completes a 2-box break of Chrome. Here are 2 hits. Not too bad defensive guys. Greg Robinson out of 25. CJ Mosley for the Ravens, blue refractor. Guys, made it 35 here. Boxbusters.tv. Just completed a 2-box break on February 8th, 2016. Guys, thank you so much for your support. Hopefully we'll see you around. Thank you.